What's up, kings and queens? So I'm going to show you how to do a pre-poo using hot oil. This is going to be great for when your locks are dry. It needs to be spruced up and refreshed. So you're going to start off with 1/4 of castor oil, apricot kernel oil, 1/4 of that, 1/4 of grapeseed oil, 1/4 of jojoba oil, 1/4 of sweet almond oil, 1/4 of avocado oil, and about 5 to 6 drops of spearmint. So this pregnancy has me stretching out my retwist like no other. I usually go every 4 weeks, but I have, let me see, it's been about 7.5 weeks since my last retwist, and as you can see, my locks are dry. They need to be washed, and I just need some life. So I'm gonna start with some water and aloe vera, and that's just gonna make sure my hair is nice and not saturated, but you want to make sure it's nice and wet, so that way the these penetrating oils can get into the locks. So I'm going to separate my locks to make for easier application. I did put those oils into an application bottle with a long nozzle so I can apply the oils to my scalp as well as the rest of my locks, definitely concentrating on those ends and the end of my locks because that's where it's the driest. Again, these are penetrating oils. These are oils that versus sitting on top of your locks, they actually seep into your locks. So as you're applying them to your hair, you can kind of tell if you need to apply a little bit more when you run your fingers through spots that you miss. Can't leave out those edges. Just smoothing that in. And I see that I need to apply a little bit more. Literally, my hair is dry. It's sucking up all of this oil. So I applied a little bit more, and then I'm just running my fingers through. You want to massage and stimulate those roots and follicles to encourage hair growth. So now I am going old school. You can use a shower cap. If you don't have a shower cap, a plastic bag works just fine. And what makes this a hot oil treatment is actually warming up the oil. So I'm going to sit underneath the dryer for about 15 minutes. I'm going to be using Design Essentials Honey Cream Shampoo. The suds on this is absolutely amazing. So when I do my hot oil treatments, I skip the conditioner because it's not necessary. And here I am left with moisturized, hydrated, healthy locks. So here are my results. Without the hot oil treatment, my locks would not have this shine. So I encourage you guys, if you haven't tried this step already, to try it. I used my DIY flaxseed gel for this retwist, and I will post a video up at the top as well in the description box. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave that in the description box below. And until next time, be you, be beautiful, be blessed. If you guys would like to check out more lock apparel and lock accessories, you can head on over to my website, locandcrown.com. I will also put that link in the description box. Remember, support Black business. Thanks in advance. Bye.